Today we are playing Animal Crossing New Horizons Happy Homes Paradise, and we're going to find Apple and design Apple their dream resort house. Oh, hi. Oh, you're trapped here? Okay. Oh, really, Lottie? Okay. That's interesting. I could do that. I'm gonna look around at the store first. Do I want to buy that for that much for polka money? I believe that's how you say it. No, I already have that. Do I need a chair? No. Alright, Lottie. Let's start. Yes, I like to work. Alright, I changed my clothes. Just my uniform. Alright, Lottie. I'm gonna go find Apple. And we're gonna design Apple a house. Yes, I can help you. Let's chat. Okay, yeah, we could do that. Alright, let's go talk to Lottie. Let's get this party started, yeah. Okay, you want things with Apple in it, obviously, because your name is Apple. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Maybe that spot? Yeah. Oh, we can put a little bit of apple trees there. All right, let's go. Apple. So we're gonna put some apple trees on the property. So Apple can have some apple trees. at the house. Let's open up the 3 boxes that Apple wants in the house. Now let's move the TV, the Apple TV, the Apple chair, and let's see what we got. What else? What we're thinking here. Yeah, let's get some Apple jam. Let's get a picture of Apple. Okay, we're gonna get this wallpaper of apples. Let's put the carpet of an apple. Let's see what else. We could probably use another chair. And let's move stuff around. I was thinking this red table so we can put some stuff on the red table and it will go well with this room, this Apple room. Alright, let's talk to Apple and see how he Apple is. Oh, Apple. Apple looks like look at his smile. Make sure you take lots of pictures. I gotta go. I'm sorry, Apple. No problem. Next, we're gonna go back and talk to Lottie. Well, thank you for the 12,000. Now this money is separate from the Animal Crossing New Horizons. This is different money.